information. So in that case, there is no fundamental you can explain, right? So if you want to capitalize, or if you are speculator, so can you speculate? Answer is you cannot. Why? Because everybody know the technical analysis. Because if the market is weak, everybody is playing with historical trends. On Monday, the yuan will rise because the dollar will be weak, and everyone Monday they stop trading dollar because everybody believe the historical trend. So historical trend only work in weak form of efficiency. That's it. Semi-strong market or semi-strong efficient market. All relevant public information is already reflected in today's exchange rate. Right? Public. So every information that is made public, that is reflected in the exchange rate. It means you cannot earn any, if speculators cannot earn any profit from fundamental analysis, because already everybody has run their models and included fundamental analysis. If country economy is going up, everybody knows that, every speculator knows that, every financial or currency analyst, they knew that, economy is going up. Why? Because there are news, there are government surveys, there are the the government data, the sustainable development reports, survey reports. They are saying that economy will move up. The World Bank is saying that your country will go towards higher economic growth. So everybody has included in their model. So it means nobody can earn profit until somebody has a very superior information. We call this private information. If a person has private information, for example, if you are in government sector and you know that the FBI now finalized the case against the president, that they have found a sufficient grounds to arrest the president because he made some corruptions, and that information is not public, right? It is a private information. So only those can earn profit, or those speculators who earn profit, if they knew, because this is private information, if they knew that everybody will say that currency will go up because the public data that is available, they say that strong economic growth whatsoever, and they say that currency will go up. But you have the private information, you know that currency will go down. Then you start selling the currency. They will buy that. And at the end, when this news broke that in 1 week, the FBI arrest the president, and what happened? Currency started going down. So you sold it when it was priced high. You made the profit, right? So in semi-strong market, only those can make the profit who has private information. Otherwise,
So,
nobody can make the profit.
sorry to interrupt, but it's not allowed, right? Like by the law.
It's not allowed, but how you can prove that?
Oh, I don't know. But I
That's
mean,
if you are
but
caught that you have some kind of connection with this FBI, insider who gave you this information, then you are caught. Otherwise, nobody can prove that. He can say that I have this analysis and I find out that it will go down, and I just sell it. That's it.
okay.
We call this inside information,
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you like
right?
this, because I know that.
It's really hard to get this, but that's why this is
But
also,
it happens. Yeah.
but it
I
happens,
get your
right?
point.
That's why we call
Yeah.
speculators, and speculators are resembled with gambling,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yeah, I get your point.
If you are caught, you need to really, you are really in serious trouble. We need to
Mm-hmm.
give like legitimate, answers to, provide all these punishment. And
Mm-hmm.
how you can make profit in weak form of efficiency when you have fundamental information. In weak form, can you earn profit? Answer is yes, only if you have fundamental news. For example, the economy is going up and there is no Sunday depreciation. Even on Sunday, the dollar will appreciate. Why? Because fundamental analysis shows that there is a strong demand of dollar. So all people, they will be following historical trends, and you are following fundamental. So you are in a good mood, good shape. Your speculation will be paying off.
Sir,
Yes,
that, does this have anything to do with stocks where
yes,
the prices
yes,
fall
yes.
down and
So
rise again?
the same market efficiency definitions and structure also available with the stock as well. Stock
Uh,
also, we can also forecast the value of a stock through technical analysis, through fundamental analysis, through the market based.
some real life occasions too, actually.
What?
Like usually the prices in stocks they change depending on real life occasions, right? Let's say if I
Yes.
am a football player,
So
if someone
that's
sees
why
me
I'm using
smoking.
currency here. Otherwise, if we were reading some finance or equity stock, then I would be using the word stocks over there, because the trend or the analysis are chabdua the same, approximately the
Oh,
same.
okay,
Okay.
okay, yes.
All information can be, you can also use for your stock market as well. Over there, the stock market also have three forms: weak, semi-strong, and strong. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Number three is strong form of efficiency, in which all the public and private information is already reflected in today's exchange rate. Now president is arrested. Now the exchange rate whatsoever, it reflects all the information, historical, fundamental, and market based. In when the markets are strong, nobody can speculate, nobody can earn extra profit, right? We call that alpha. Nobody has the superior information, so they cannot say that, look, my analysis is very nice, I came up with the very nice stuff, and you know my forecasting gave me a very nice, and I believe that the currency will go up, that's why I earn money. Nobody can earn this alpha. Why? Because every public and non-public information is already exposed. System is so much efficient that everything is exposed, so your price of the currency reflects all the changes. So now back to square one. In weak form of market, people are basing their your analysis based on technical analysis. How you can make using fundamentals on your analysis or some private information. Semi-strong, firm, everybody is using technical plus fundamental in their analysis. Then how a person can earn profit? Only through private sources. Otherwise, because everybody know the fundamentals, everybody know that the technical analysis, so everybody is using. That's one. Simple. Market-based analysis is already in the market, so that's nothing. And then strong, it means technical plus fundamental plus private. Information is in the analysis of forecasting the currency. And can you make profit? Nobody can make abnormal profit. Abnormal profit means alpha cannot make any abnormal profit. Just normal profit which just compensate you with the time, that's it. Like interest, that's it. Everybody understand that? So now tell me, the world is strong market or semi-strong market? Chinese stock exchange or New York stock exchange or in your country whatsoever, it depends. Most of the good countries like New York stock exchange, they are operating semi-strong. Is there any strong form of market anywhere in the world? Answer is no. Maybe the strong market exists for some time, 15 days, maybe 1 year, maybe, but until then, there must be some kind of superior information. We call this asymmetric information. If you go through the finance books or something, they call it asymmetric information, which means private information that only you have.